Hi, I'm Kevin Walsh, President of Shaftsman Heating and Cooling, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about a product called AeroSeal. Warm weather has arrived, and with it, many homeowners are experiencing hot upper levels and cold main levels. Many homeowners believe that the reason for this could be not enough registers in the upper level, an air conditioner that's too small, or inadequate insulation. However, there is a good chance that it could be the cold air is leaking out of the ductwork before it gets to the upper level. We can help by sealing your ductwork with AeroSeal. AeroSeal is a process for sealing ductwork from the inside. Most times the AeroSeal process can be done in one day. Sealed ductwork can even out the temperatures in your home, making your home more comfortable, help with allergies, and help save money on your utility bills. For more information, visit our website, shaftsman.com, and watch This Old House clip featuring AeroSeal. Contact us today for a free assessment of your ductwork.